Muy buenas, ¿preparados para ver el trabajo de varios días en unos minutos? No olvides de suscribirte a mi canal. ¿Quieres saber cómo hacer esta losa de madera? Aquí te dejo el vídeo y en la descripción.
Closer. Pull me closer. Love's in the air, but I'm not breathing. Broken heart, need repairing. You're the reason. On a hospital bed, the pain not leaving. Cupid arrows to the chest, I can't stop bleeding. If you gon' leave, gon' leave just like everybody else. If you don't like my company, then I'll do life by myself. Girl, your love like a drug, it ain't good for my health. Even though it's killing me, girl, I love you to death. Take my love, don't waste it. Even though I don't mind waiting. Late test, my mind racing. What else I have to do, girl, embrace me. You. I only want you. closer. Pull me closer. Take my love, don't waste it. Even though I don't mind waiting. Make sense, my mind racing. What else I have to do, girl, to break with you? I only want you, yeah. I only want you. I only want you. Pull me closer. The train's passing by our bedroom window. It feels like the writing's on the wall. You try your best to reassure me, but lately I don't believe you at all. It takes time to build up some kind of mountain. It takes strength just to sit and watch it fall. We can't hope that it all wasn't for nothing.
¡Atención! Si no sabes cómo empezar algún trabajo o tienes dudas sobre cómo ejecutar lo que quieres hacer o cómo resolver alguna situación complicada, puedo ayudarte. Reserva una consulta personalizada conmigo en www.tutorialcreativo.com/consulta y estudiaremos tu caso juntos para ayudarte del mejor modo posible. Te dejo el enlace a la página de reserva en la descripción.
It's better than saying goodbye. It's better than saying goodbye. I know that this all sounds self-destructive, but I'll be the first to make it work. Use your hands and control me like a puppet, because losing your love right now is worse. We can't hope that it all wasn't for nothing. For now I will just wait out in the hall. If I can't change your mind, then I wanna change for you every single night. Pick my clothes, run my life, 'cause I wanna change for you every single night. You spoke my name and life began. Breath filled dust and sand. Felt you in the cool of the night. Saw you in a newly made sky. And you were mine. Take me back to the garden where it all began. Take me back to the garden. We were walking hand in hand. My eyes were filled with wonder. My heart was filled with peace. Lost in the mystery, it's all that I could see. Take me back to the garden and walk with me.
Made in your perfect design, pure in heart and mind, known by your loving eyes, held in heaven's divine, and you are mine. Take me back to the garden.
Si vas a hacer algún trabajo de PLADUR y vas a optar por contratar una empresa que lo haga, he creado una breve guía para ayudarte a analizar el presupuesto y evitar posibles engaños en el sector. Pásate por www.tutorialcreativo.com/guía para descargarla. Te dejo el enlace en la descripción.
My eyes were filled with wonder. My heart was filled with peace. Captured by the mystery, it's all that I could see. Take me back to the garden and dance with me.
And oh, my heart grows from the place my spirit knows. It's the longing of my soul to find a place I once called home and show me the garden, place that you've prepared. The streets of gold we'll walk on. Take me there, take me there, take me back to the garden where it all began. Take me back to the garden. We were walking hand in hand. My eyes were filled with wonder. My heart filled with peace. Lost in the mystery. It's all that I could see. Take me back to the garden. Take me back to the garden. Take me back to the garden.
Take me back to the garden where it all began. Take me back to the garden. We were walking hand in hand. My eyes were filled with wonder. My heart was filled with peace. Captured by the mystery, it's all that I could see. Take me back to the garden.
Take me back to the garden. Take me back to the garden. Have you ever walked the high pass, watched the northern lights flash, took a photograph on a Paris street? Have you ever climbed a tall tree, asked someone for mercy, gave something away that wasn't free? I don't wanna get a vision of you stuck in my head, because I know that you were meant to be wilder. Another night of television while you're lying in bed, it's slowly gonna be the death of you. Have you ever really lived? You talk a big game, but it's just a matter of time. Have you ever really lived? We're all on the clock here. In the blink of an eye, you're a goner. So for once in your life, try the deeper water, feel the pull of whatever is out there, and ask yourself this once. Have you ever really lived? Have you ever used your hands to build something from scratch that wasn't even for you? Have you ever? When you hear the waves are crashing over Nazareth, man, don't you wanna see them? And I don't wanna get a vision of you stuck in my head, because I know that you were meant to be wilder. Another night of television while you're stuck in your head, is that really how it's gonna be? Have you ever really lived? something between you and I. I've always wondered it for years, and I'm drunk tonight. Did you mean to drop that pencil by my feet in 7th grade? Did you mean to set your chair right next to mine at the parade? When you'd fix your hair up nice, did you do that for me? Most of the time, I don't even think of you, but almost every other time and place, I do.
Próximamente, los siguientes vídeos.
Call me back when I regret this in the morning goodbye. Did you mean to drive right by my house that night I walked her in? Did you bash all of my exes cause you wanted to be